parameter lock and copying in VCSE 200 drive. This drive parameter locking parameter is F4.00. In the group F4, parameter number 00, that's mean F4.00 is parameter lock or keyboard lock parameter. Here showing 0, that's mean keyboard unlocked. If you set here to the drive keyboard or keypad is locked, only forward and stop button will work, others button does not work. You see, we press program, it's displayed code alarm. That's mean here all button is locked except forward and stop button. So if you want to again programmed or work by keyboard or keypad, you first need to unlock the drive. If you set F4.001 function parameter locks, only function parameter can lock but keyboard will work. But right now we set 2, that's mean only forward and run but stop button is work, other button does not work. So in F4.00 set here 0 to unlock the drive. Now the drive is unlocked and all button is working. So you can change parameter as you require. So we need to copying parameter. Go to the parameter F4.05. Enter here 1 to copying parameter inverter to keypad. Copying percentage displayed. The parameter is copied from inverter to keypad. This keypad you set in another drive and copying parameter again keypad or keyboard to inverter. Set parameter in F4.05. Set here 2. So setting this keypad in another drive and go to the parameter F4.05 and set here 2 to copying parameter from keyboard to inverter.